Okay, let's see what is brand promote this video feature on YouTube and how to use that for your video. Actually, there is a new feature will be available for every monetized creators like brand promote this video. So in simple, if you want to freely promote your YouTube video on Google Ads, you can use this feature. So the thing is, so when we upload a video, we need to select a brand. We need to choose that brand. If the brand decide to promote the video, they will promote using Google Ads. So basically this is a free promotion for your YouTube video. So I show you how you need to do. Make sure you enabled advanced features on YouTube Studio and you already joined YouTube Partner Program. To get this feature, you need to be a monetized channel. So let's see. Open YouTube Studio and click Earn. Scroll down a bit and open Brand Connect. Make sure you turned on this feature and now just open YouTube app and click upload and upload a video. I just select this video. You need to usually upload the video. So scroll down a bit. Then you can see this option paid promotion and brands. Open that. So this will automatically turn on. You don't need to select anything. Now here you can see brands. Let brands promote this video and access its metrics. So click search for your brand. Now just type your brand name you want to promote this video. For example, I just type Apple. So Apple, official Apple, and here you can see the other details. Link Apple to this video. Allow Apple to promote this video in their Google Ads campaign and allow YouTube to share data about this video with Apple like entities linked to their accounts such as data about demographic, watch time, engagement, performance and disclosure. We already seen that it will automatically add it. Now you just need to click agree. Then that's it. Here you can see it's automatically added. In case if you change the mind, if you want to cancel the brand promotion, here you can remove that. Now just upload the video usually. So this is basically how we need to do. Let's see how this is benefit as in future videos. So this is how you need to do, and if you want to know more videos about YouTube, watch this playlist.